Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be wrapping up the month of July, and we're hopping into a new month, which means new price action for Bitcoin and crypto. July was a pretty good month. I believe it went up about 17% across the month for Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at that. We're going to talk about what we can expect to potentially see here in August in terms of price action for Bitcoin. Also, go over a couple stories that just came out here reflecting some of the sentiment around Bitcoin, and we'll take a look at the Fear and Greed Index today as well. Thanks for tuning in. This is the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Glad you guys hopped in with us. If you haven't done so already, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're trying to open up a trade right now because you're as excited about crypto as me, go ahead, click below, go into Femex, make a trade there, and there might be $4,100 in it for you if you do, for a little sign-up bonus. So check that one out as well. Without further ado, let's hop into these charts. Let's take a peek at the markets for the day. I want to show you guys where we're standing, and then we'll kind of take a deeper dive from there. So the crypto markets, again, back above $1 trillion. Bitcoin dominance staying strong. Ethereum dominance came down just a touch, but these coins have been performing spectacular this month. July has been extremely bullish, and still $23,300 for Bitcoin and almost a $1,700 Ethereum to end July. Pretty good. This has been a tough couple months for Bitcoin and crypto. Very, very difficult, and nothing goes straight down forever. And when you're looking at the Bitcoin chart, right now, we're coming up, guys. You can't really argue with it. You look at these charts, and we've been getting, wrecked since November, and just came down, down, down. A little bit of hope there, and, more pain. So it's been a tough go here, and it's just, a true bear market, but nothing can go straight down forever. And came across this article I wanted to show you guys from Cointelegraph. Bitcoin due one of the greatest bull markets as July gains circle 20%. So very exciting. People are getting more excited that, we think we're due for a pump. This is not just me. This is many people. This is kind of the sentiment, and folks are starting to write about it again. So, a 17-20% pump this month gets pretty exciting. But let's actually take a peek here. Well, why are they saying that Bitcoin's due? Well, in 2022, and this is a cool chart here, really awesome. I like this. This is on coinglass.com, and you can check out the monthly returns, percentage gains on Bitcoin. And you can see a grid here, all the months, all the years. Looking at 2022, here was our April, May, and June. Down 17% in April, down 15% in May, and another 37% in June. June was a brutal time. I think we can all agree on that. But then July, we came ripping back up and had a 17.41% pump, which was great. And when you look historically in percentage pumps, I think this is the biggest one. You'll see 172.76 back in 2013. Gains were bigger back in the earlier days of Bitcoin, but even in 2019, we had a 52% pump in May, 42% in November of 2020, 46% in December, even a 36% gain in 2021. And so you could expect to see at least, one of those in each of these years. There is not a single year where you're not seeing at least one 30% gain posted by Bitcoin. So my question is what month is that? Well, a lot of people are bullish a lot of people are very bearish in September. A lot of people think that September is a bearish month, and I think that goes to astrology or what have you. But you can see here it has been a tough month traditionally for Bitcoin. Now, August is kind of a mixed bag. I'm bullish on August. I do believe that I think we're going to go up in August because I think Bitcoin still has to hit $30,000. I think then there's a good chance that September would be bearish again, and then October is our rip-roaring month and gives us an opportunity to kind of come around and end the year strong. I think October would be bullish again, and then November, December, kind of a toss-up. I don't expect the next true bull run until 2025, maybe 2024, late 2024. So It's kind of what I'm thinking right now, but great gains here in July for Bitcoin and August. I'm bullish. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat box down below. By the way, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're feeling up to it. I want to show you guys what I like right now, which is this Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. Last month, we were in extreme fear. And last month, not July, but last month, we were at 11. So, June was really tough. And that was low. Now, we got some upward movement here in July. And now look, we got all the way up to 30. We got up to 42 in fear yesterday. So that's moving up. And I think we're going to hit into the green here. We're going to get some greed, and then we'll pull back again to maybe around here in terms of the Bitcoin Fear Greed Index. And I think that'll be somewhere around September. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, less fearful than it was the previous months, and kind of climbing up, getting towards the green. So, you want to buy when the prices are low and sell when it's high. As the price keeps going up, I hope you guys have been buying through this whole dip, because this has been our opportunity. I've been very excited the entire time. I know you guys have been as well. And I know you've done a great job DCAing and hodling out there. Another one I want to show you. So just some more positive sentiment in the market. Fidelity macro expert is now saying that Bitcoin and Ethereum are impenetrable markets. And I looked at this article and I thought it was great here. Great quote. So talking about Apple, and they're talking about the annual revenues for Apple. And he said, the more iPhones and all that stuff they sell, the valuation goes up exponentially until it gets to the point. And then when it gets to the point where the network is so powerful that it is such a large moat around it, that even if I invent a far better iPhone tomorrow, it's never going to be able to penetrate that network because it's too powerful. Talking about Apple, this macro expert then continues on to go in and say, and I think Ethereum and Bitcoin have reached those thresholds as well. And he said that, one of the things that people were saying might derail crypto was that it might get regulated out of existence. And we've talked about that. I think regulation's good. It could damage crypto. It has, in some sense, damaged some cryptos. But it's not going to eliminate Bitcoin, or at least that's kind of where we're all standing right now. And that's kind of the exact sentiment he has right now. Well, if it can't get regulated out of existence pretty quickly, and he says, thinks this ship has sailed. And frankly, I do too. We've got Fidelity, we've got JP Morgan, we've got Charles Schwab, you name it, Goldman Sachs. Everybody wants some Bitcoin. Everybody wants some exposure. Tesla sold 75% of its Bitcoin. Well, they still got 25% of it, and I'm sure they're going to buy some more when the time's right. This is such an exciting time, guys. When you look at these stories, you look at the fear and greed index, and you keep an eye on that, and you look at some of the historical returns on crypto. I'm very, very excited. I think we can come right back up to this 30K mark here for crypto. And who knows, maybe we can keep moving up. I think, again, 2024, 2025 for a bull market. But, a little bull rally, a little relief rally is kind of around the corner. So let me know what you guys think about August. Are you bullish on August? Because I'm pretty excited. This is not financial advice, but I do appreciate y'all tuning in and working with me here day to day. 3 stories a day, every day, 3 posts. Check out the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the Crypto Report, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.